Let's learn how to manage tags and add them to your content. A tag labels content for easy grouping and filtering on the team content page. Group tags allow bulk assignment and filtering of multiple tags. To create a tag, click Settings, then Tags. On the Tag Management page, click Create Tag. Enter the desired tag name, and then click Create Tag. Simple and easy. Great job! To create a tag group, select the Groups tab. Click Create Group, and add a group name. Now we can search and scroll to select tags we want to include with this group. Keep in mind, you can always return later and add more tags to your groups. To finish, click Create Group. Awesome! Now, let's add a tag to a track. On the Content page, let's select the track we want to tag. Scroll down to the Tags panel and click Add Tag. Scroll or use the search bar to select the tags or groups of tags you want to include. We can also type and create new tags. Well done! Searching for tags is quick and simple. On the Content page, click the All Tags and Groups filter button and scroll or input the tag you are searching. Click to select it and then Apply. Here we see all of the tracks that contain those tags. Great!